Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just got a call from my boy Big Chris that my tires just came in. So we finna head out to go get the tires mounted up on the 15x10s for the Frontier. Ended up going with some 205 50-15s. Really wanted 225 50-15s, but I guess they already come by these days. So we got the truck loaded up. About to head out to his shop. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so we up here at my boy Big Chris's shop, Monarch State Inspection Wheels and Tires. Located at 209 South Kirby in Garland. If you look close, yes, that is the classic Caprice. He's the one I sold it to. He still got it, sitting right here. Looking good. Y'all see he's got the SD forged honeycomb reps on it. Taking real good care of it. Still got it looking good. But yeah, they're right now they're about to mount up the tire. Well, they got to dismount the old tires first, but they're going to dismount those mud tires and stretch on those 205 50-15s. I just got the tires stretched up over here at Monarch State Inspection Wheels and Tires. Up here with the owner, Big Chris. Why don't you let him know, Big Chris?
Come on down, man. We do wheel state inspections, wheel tire repair, wheel and rim sales, new and used, whatever you need. We can get you hooked up, powder coating, the whole nine. We offer 3-year warranty on any kind of repairs, powder coating, all of that. Any wheels in that, you buy 4 new wheels, we'll give you a free tire rotation, free tire repair, anything like that. My boy Johnny here, take care of your inspections.
What's up, Dallas? Take care of you on your inspections. Y'all come by and see me anytime. I'm here from 9 to 6, Monday through Saturday. Y'all come on by.
Oil changes.
Oil changes, we got you.
Start at $45, synthetic blend. That's with the filter up to 5 quarts. Come on down and see us, we got you. 209 South Kirby Street, Suite 309, Garland, Texas 75042.
So there you go. If you're in the DFW area, Garland, Dallas, Fort Worth, all that. Need some tire stretching, mount and balance, oil change, state inspection. Y'all come holler at my boys at Monarch.
Yeah, come see us.